Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'll be talking about tree trimming and lawn care. The first thing groundkeepers do is to block off the area they're working in. They might use construction cones. This is a construction cone. Construction cone. And they might put up some safety netting. Safety netting. And that yellow plastic thing that looks like ribbon is called caution tape. Caution tape. Now that those things are in place, we can talk about equipment groundskeepers use. This is a chainsaw. Chainsaw. To reach the higher parts of the tree, they will use a bucket lift. Bucket lift. These guys are groundskeepers. Groundskeepers. They're cutting off the limbs and branches of the tree. Limb, branch. They're wearing hard hats. Hard hat. And that is called the bucket. They are in the bucket of the bucket lift. Here you can see them using the chainsaw to cut the limbs and branches. This thing is called a front loader. As you can see, it puts the branches and limbs into the truck. The branches and limbs are going into the truck. Now it's turning around. And now it's coming towards me. Eee! This is a shovel. In Michigan, we use shovels for shoveling snow. Here, it's used for shoveling up the leaves and branches. Shovel. And this is a rake. He's raking up the leaves and twigs. Raking with a rake. This is called a wood chipper. It grinds up the leaves, limbs, and branches and turns it into mulch. Mulch. Mulch is used for landscaping. Look at how pretty the tree looks with the mulch around it. It's also good for the tree. This is a picture of a stump and a stick. A stump and a stick. And these are called twigs, which are just little pieces that have broken off a branch or a stick. Twigs. This is called a hollow stump. Hollow stump. These are leaves. Leaves. A groundskeeper can rake the leaves up or use a leaf blower. Leaf blower. To cut the lawn, groundkeepers might use a riding lawnmower or a push lawnmower. You can call this a push mower. Now this is called a weed whacker. Weed whacker. It cuts down weeds and gets around trees and other things. And this is an edger. Edger. It cuts along the edge of a sidewalk and trims away the grass. And after the trees are trimmed and the lawn is cut, Nunca can sit in the sun and enjoy the day.